All right, Rankin family. So we are looking at the Partners in Building property. This one is in Town Lake in Cypress, Texas. Now they do have a few lots available still. Of course, they're going extremely fast. Town Lake, they're kind of doing their closeout sale. So I want to bring you the best of the best. And as you recall, we absolutely love Partners in Building. So you do have the double oversized door right here. This will be as soon as you walk into the property. Of course, you do have the candlelight chandelier on the top with the high ceilings. You have essentially the rectangular rotunda-like ceiling on top. It kind of looks like a tray ceiling for the most part, but it looks fantastic. And this will be your dining room. You have plenty of space. You have that great size chandelier with the upgraded cabinetry right here, the shelving, as well as your built-in cabinets. So this is what we're looking like from this standpoint right here. Of course, this is the model house. So they're going to sell this one off as soon as they get all the lots available. There's no concrete date just yet that I'm aware of, but I'll definitely make sure I get that information later on down the road. So of course, this will be your laundry room. So you have your mud room coming from your garage, and this what you would be greeted with right here. So you have plenty of space for an oversized washer and dryer right here. You got your cabinetry as well as your countertops right here. And of course, you can always add the cabinets on top just for extra storage. I absolutely love that, just for the simple fact that you can hide your fabric softeners and your laundry detergent if you need to. And of course, this will be your garage right here. So you do have plenty of space. This will be a tandem garage. Apologize for the mess. Of course, we got a lot of stuff in here, but since this is a model house, that's kind of where they keep the storage right there. So we'll continue along. Right here will be your walk-in pantry. The one thing I really love about this walk-in pantry is you do have this glass pane door right here. So if you ever want to just close it and, you know, let the kids see what's in there without having them go in there and make a mess, you can certainly do so. So this will be your kitchen connected to your great room. You have the tray ceilings on top with the candlelight chandelier. Again, you do have a lot of those windows on top to add in plenty of natural light. And let's start in the kitchen. So you have your double stainless steel oven right here. You got your wood flooring that continues throughout. You have this oversized island as well. And then if you notice, you got this nice wooden range hood, but you have the black with the wood finish. And I think that's an elegant look. I haven't seen that whatsoever. Of course, Partners in Building, they do a great job of customizing some features just to have that unique feel. And I absolutely love it. So you have your 6-burner stovetop as well. You have this oversized stainless steel refrigerator that's kind of sleek. I'll open it up so that way you can see, look how beautiful this is. Absolutely gorgeous. And then of course you do have your great rooms with your 20-foot ceilings as well. You have the electric fireplace that's sectioned off. And if you even notice, you have your wine cellar over there as well, but we'll get to that in just a second. So this will be your breakfast nook area right here. So you could easily put a dining table right here, and I think you would definitely have plenty of space. Even you have the circular table right here. You got 6 chairs, and it just kind of gives you a reference of how much space you have inside of here. So we'll continue along. This will be your game room right here. You have your pool table. You could easily take the pool table out and maybe just add an L-shaped couch or another sofa. And that way you can entertain all your guests. If there's too many people that are in the house and you have the great room filled up, the kitchen filled up, well, this will be a perfect secondary place. And if you even notice, you have access to the backyard right here as well. So we'll continue along. This is your first bedroom right here. This will be absolutely perfect for a guest. So if you recall, we've showcased a couple that the guest room or the rooms were off to another part of the house. And I absolutely love this just because it's connected to the game room area, and it has a full-size bathroom as well. So if your guests end up staying a little longer than anticipated, well, they won't be in your way, so you don't have to worry. And this will be your bathroom right here. So you have your shower tub combo with the shower niche. I love the finishes inside of here. You got your gray cabinetry with your quartz countertops with the black lighting fixture. I would definitely add a mirror frame right here just for true elegance, but some people may not really care about that. It's just depending on the details. So that was absolutely fantastic. And even right here, this is a powder bath. So they don't have to go to the, the full bedroom to go inside and use the restroom. They could easily come from the game room straight right there, and it's perfect. So we'll continue along. Let's go take a look at the primary bedroom. And of course, right here, this is what you're working with as far as your wine cellar. So I love the true elegance of this. Look how gorgeous it is. You can easily fit maybe 50 to 80 bottles inside of here comfortably. And a lot of times, even if you're not a big alcohol drinker or a big wine drinker, I think a lot of people will just add some of it just for decor. As soon as your guests come inside the property, it just adds a nice touch. And we'll continue along. So this will be your primary bedroom. So you have two downstairs. You got your LED ceiling fan. Look how large this window is. You got two of these. And as you can tell, yeah, you have two of these right here. You even got two other ones right where your headboard is. So you have so much space in here. It's almost ridiculous. So you got your king size bed with your dresser. You got a chair over here, your two oversized nightstands, and look how much space you have in here. I always love when you see that the nightstands have room on both sides. So that way, you know it's not snug and you have ample amount of space. And this is your primary bathroom. Oh my goodness. His and her sink right here. Wow, beautiful quartz countertops. You got this large, oversized soaking tub, rectangular soaking tub right here. You got your toilet over here. And of course, you got windows on top, and this is your nice size walk-in shower. I love the shower bench, and I love that it extends from one side to the other, and you got two shower niches right here. So if it's a husband and wife in here, you can control your temperature and they can control their temperature right here. So really just kind of depends on personal preference. And of course, even looking at, look how gorgeous this is. It's absolutely beautiful. And then you got your linen closet right here. You could easily put towels or what have you. It just really depends on what you want. And this is your nice size walk-in closet. You got all the windows in here for natural light. Again, you could easily put a mirror somewhere right here, maybe put it right there. So that way you can look at yourself. You got your built-in drawers right here as well. Absolutely fantastic. So much space, built-in shelving, goodness gracious. Absolutely fantastic. And that's the one thing you always want to make sure is that you just have ample amount of space just to put decor and things like that. You'll be perfect. All right. So that was the first level right there. What I'll go ahead and do is show you upstairs so that way you can see what we're working with. But I love the fact that the stairs, the second level, it continues right here and you can easily see the great room or the foyer, just depending. And then this is your large size media room right here. Goodness gracious, look how much space we have in here. I love the lighting fixtures, gives it more of that cozy element. Fantastic. Now for all of those of you that have said that some of the media rooms have been really skimped, I don't think you will have any problem whatsoever fitting your furniture. Obviously you can easily put a projector up there depending on what you want. So we'll continue through here. Of course, you got linen closet right here, little storage closet, and we'll continue this way. Look how large this bedroom is right here. Wow, you could easily fit a queen size bed in here with the two nightstands. You do have plenty of windows again for natural light. So that's one of the common themes that we're seeing so far is plenty of windows. You have a full-size bathroom in here as well, quartz countertop, shower tub combo as well. And I love that they added the shower niche in there again. You do have a full-size walk-in closet. Absolutely fantastic. And this will be the final bedroom right here. So you definitely have plenty of space. Look at this, you have an L-shaped desk and you definitely have no shortage of space whatsoever. Wow, fantastic. And then of course, I'll show you the closet as well as the bathroom. That way you can see what we're working with. So you do have a walk-in closet in here. You even have space to, even if you want to add a built-in shelf around here, go to Home Depot, you'll easily be taken care of. And right here, you got your shower tub combo again. And this will be the sink with your lighting fixture. And you may be wondering, folks, I'm wearing the same clothes. This is my third property tour today, so I'm not wearing the same thing every day. Don't worry. Don't worry. All right. So that's what we're working with. So of course, Partners in Building do a lot of customization just depending on what you need for the most part. So they will definitely get you taken care of. But this is just one of the examples that they have. I know they have other plans that, you know, if you want to have that one built in a different location, you can certainly do so. But this is just kind of what we're working with. And then I'll show you the covered backyard patio. This is what we're working with right here. Now you're on a large size lot. Depending on what size lot that you need, they can get you accommodated. Sometimes you may say, hey, I really don't use the backyard too much, so it's really going to be a waste of space. And we can also see if we can make some accommodations for that as well. And that way, you know what you're getting into. But that's a beautiful property. What I will show you is the study. I'll make sure to show you that as well. Then this will be the study. You have your double or your French doors right here. You got your high ceilings with the LED ceiling fan as well, with plenty of natural light. So as you can tell, you have just plenty of space inside of here. This is your oversized desk, and that's what we're working with. And of course, your French doors right here. All right, Rankin family. So I hope you absolutely love this. I mean, look at this Partners in Building. Gosh, this was fantastic. I hope you loved it. Of course, if you do want more information, I have all of it in the description below. I'll get you taken care of, and I'll see you folks on the next property tour.